Hi guys, I'm back with an Eid makeup look. This is the daytime no makeup look. I'm going to start off with a moisturizer. This is the Lotus Youth Moisturizer by Fresh, and I am going to apply this all over my face. After that, I'm going to use this primer spray, which can also be used as a setting spray. This is by Skindinavia and I really like it. So since it's a daytime look and we're not going to use any foundation, I'm going to opt for BB cream. This is Pond's BB cream in beige, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers and blend it into my face with my fingers only. Now since it's a daytime makeup look, this BB cream is going to be very light on your face. It's going to help your skin breathe, not cake up on your face. So it's a great option. And I love using BB creams instead of foundation. I've not used a foundation since my wedding. That's over a year now, but yeah. It's nice and blended. I'm going to go ahead and grab my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer in light medium. I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath my eyes and on my brow bone. And then I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I'm also going to go ahead and apply concealer on areas that I feel need a little more brightening, and also on areas that need concealing. For example, pigmentation around my mouth and any pimple marks or any scars or anything around the face. And then again, I'm going to use this same sponge and blend it out. To set all of this in place, I'm going to go ahead and grab this powder. This is Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Now I absolutely love this powder. It has such a soft, smooth, buttery finish and keeps your makeup intact for such a long period of time. For the brows, I'm just going to brush them up and out, and then I'm just going to fill up any sparse areas with a brow powder. Now I don't like to have very thick or dramatic eyebrows on my face because my eyebrows are already dark and full, so I'm just going to fill them in very lightly. Now since I'll be skipping line, I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline, and this is going to make my lash line look full. After that, I'm going to go ahead, curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now my lashes are really short and straight, so I need multiple coats of mascara to make them visible. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and just contour my face and lightly contour my nose and my jawline. I'm going to add some mascara on the lower lashes also. Now I'm going to use this pulley to get off any mascara, dried mascara on my lash line, and then just going to smudge if there is any left, so it does not give a very untidy look and gives like a smudged liner effect. For the blush, I'm going to use MAC blush in Peaches. I'm going to use a fluffy brush and will apply the blush generously over my cheeks and over the bridge of my nose. To further enhance the pinkiness of the blush, I'm going to use this tint by Benetint and will top it on my blush. I'm also going to apply this tint on my lips before I apply a lip color because I just like it that way. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Third Date lipstick and I will apply it on my lips. I absolutely love this color and love the formula. I hate applying lipsticks, but this lipstick is so good. I'm going to set all of my makeup with the Morphe setting spray, and this is the final look, you guys. Usually wear this makeup look all the time, and it's great for daytime during Eid. However, if you want to further add some drama to your look, you can add some falsies. I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm just going to pop them on my lash line. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Eid Mubarak in advance, and stay tuned for more tutorials.